But when it comes to a student protest, it usually becomes a hot topic for the state. And yes, today in the studio we have Mr. Sumit Sharma with us, who will be talking about the SI examination matter, which was held on 13th September to 15th September. We welcome you, sir. Sir, I would like to know the whole matter which happened on the 13th and 15th September SI examination.
Ma'am, firstly, I would like to tell you the entire matter about this SI examination 2021. The RPSC has notified, firstly, that the exam should have organized on 4th of September. But before this examination, before 10 days, RPSC extended the date of this examination on 13th of September, 14th and 15th September, 3 days. The first question is that, what is the reason behind it? And the second matter is that after this examination, the video have been viral and the OMR sheet have been viral from Alwar, and the paper of Bikaner to Pali on the WhatsApp group, the paper has been viral. So what is the reason? We are not raising the voice about, against the government. We are talking about our fundamental rights. This is the matter of fundamental rights.
So, sir, you told me about the whole matter which happened. I would specifically like to know about the matter which happened in your center. You too appeared for the examination. What all problems did you face in your examination center?
The problem is that on the center, that, the paper envelope has been, opened. That is a big reason. And, all the students are, in the doubt because the paper is not in the seal.
Basically unsealed paper which you received on the examination day.
Paper has been unsealed. It is the big reason, this protest.
So, sir, as you are preparing for your future, you look forward for a bright future and career. Aren't you afraid of raising your voice against the government, as it could hamper your image, your, career path, it could hamper your family? So aren't you afraid of that?
Ma'am, I am not raising my voice against the government. It is the matter of fundamental rights. It is the matter of rights. We are raising the voice about our rights, madam. I'm not afraid about, the government. Government is doing very good things, but I want to say that, on 13th of September, paper has been viraled. That is the big reason behind it.
Okay, so this protest has, has become very much viral. Yeah. Everywhere. Like if we talk about every media channel, we are talking about this protest. So, sir, I'm asking you about one thing that, didn't you receive any threats or warnings by, either by the policemen or by the politicians or by the officials?
Ma'am, I received much warning from the police that we can arrest you. And there are so many warnings, but I'm not afraid about the government.
Okay, you're not afraid.
I don't care.
And sir, as we can see that you are much more confident about your views and opinions about this protest, and you are saying that you won't let it hamper at any cost and you will fight for your demands and rights. So, sir, what are your demands? What are you expecting from the government?
Demand is that the paper should be in one day. Okay. And paper should be cancelled. Okay. Because the examination of sub-inspector in 2021, the paper has been leaked. That is the big reason. So our demand is that the paper should be in one day and exam should be cancelled.
And as sir, we can see that, a few days have been already passed as you are protesting against this matter. So what do you expect from government? Like, will they answer your, demands, or are they taking any actions onto it?
Ma'am, we are not receiving any actions from the government. They are not giving the statement about this examination. And the RPSC chairman, Bhupendra Yadav ji, they gave a statement, the paper is not leaked.
But the proof shows that the paper has been leaked.
Yeah, they are saying paper isn't a leak. Okay. But the people of Rajasthan, they know about that. They know about, and entire matter about this examination. Paper is leaked. Paper has been leaked. Okay. All the students know about that.
Okay.
So how can say like that the paper has not leaked?
So, sir, my last question to you is like, I would like to know, like, do you have any appeal from the public, from the government side, which you want to like deliver through the medium of media, like how your demands should be fulfilled, how the public support you want, how the political support you want? Any appeal from your side?
Right now we are receiving the political support from Rajya Sabha Sansad Dr. Kirudilal ji, and we met on the home of Dr. Kirudilal ji Meena, and they are helping me.
Okay. Kirori Lalji is helping you?
Yeah.
And what about the general public? Like, the public is in support?
Yeah, general public is also supporting.
Okay. So here we had a talk with Mr. Sumit Sharma. He talked about the whole matter about SI examination and the fraud and cheating case which happened on 13th to 15th September SI examination. The protesters are expecting a positive outcome, the positive results from the side of government, and they are expecting support from the general public as well. Let's see the whole matter, what happens. Thank you. Keep watching The Awaaz for the latest updates.
Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.